Monday fun day, man. It's your boy, my driver, and aka Mr. Money Man, aka I do real estate, aka I'm an entrepreneur. Hey, man, just tapping in with y'all, man, giving you a quick 3 things to do today. Uh, First and foremost, uh, if you woke up today, you got to show some gratitude. Gratitude, thank the man up above, thank whoever that you believe in, that you actually woke up with air in your lungs, and you're a viable living organism, first and foremost. Second thing we want to do, man, we want to write down our goals, man. Write down our goals, what we're looking to accomplish, put a time stamp on it, and essentially, for anybody who understands goal writing, you want to put a date on it, and if it's a big enough goal, you can break it down into smaller steps. Third thing we want to do, man, is get out and grind. Get out and do it. I wake up every day and I say, morning, morning, morning. It's time to rise and grind. Give thanks to the Creator. Get up, get out, make something happen. Every day, no matter what, you know. And I also follow that up with another positive affirmation. Looking good, feeling good, ready for the world like I should. So what this does, man, it puts me in a state of gratitude, humbleness, and a state of action. My mind automatically gets up and get the racing. Like, okay, I got to do this, got to do that, got to do this. I got to talk to this person, got to talk to that person. I got to make some offers. I got to do some research. I got to. So this is at the forefront of every daily thing that gets done. So wake up, show the gratitude, write your goals down, and just get going. Just get going. Uh, Peace, man. Just some quick, light, get your Monday going. No, don't know whenever you see this, but definitely adhere to the message, man. Rise and grind, give thanks to the Creator. Get up, get out, make something happen. It's your boy, my job Vernon, telling you it's no longer about the why, it's about what's the reason. What's the reason we do what we do? Ultimately, man, to change the narrative, change the mindset in the household, change the family dynamics, put ourselves in a position of winning, and give the generations to come something that they can stand solid on, that they can believe in, that they can be proud of, to create a family legacy that will be impenetrable by any outside force. Woo! You tell me, what's your reason?